Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic data entry. Definition: data entry refers to the process of inputting data or information into a computer or database. This can involve a wide range of data, including text, numbers, images, or other types of information. Data entry tasks are commonly performed by data entry operators, clerks, or professionals in various industries to organize, update, and maintain data for various purposes. Skills: proficient in data entry software such as Microsoft Excel, excellent typing skills with high accuracy and attention to detail, familiarity with basic database management. Tools: use Microsoft Excel to organize data, use Google Sheets to collaborate with others, use keyboard shortcuts to increase efficiency. Work experience: proficient in data entry software such as Microsoft Excel, accurate and efficient in data entry tasks, experienced in managing and organizing large amounts of data. Certifications and recognitions: highlight any relevant certifications you have obtained. Mention any awards or recognition you have received for your work. Explain how these certifications and recognition demonstrate your expertise in data entry. Achievements: accurately entered and processed large amounts of data while maintaining a high level of attention to detail. Consistently met to exceeded productivity targets. Here are some key points related to data entry. Number one, types of data entry. Manual data entry: this involves individual typing data into a computer or database manually. Automated data entry: this uses software tools or script to extract and input data automatically. Number two, applications. Data entry is used in various fields such as finance, healthcare, e commerce, and customer services to maintain records, update databases, and ensure data accuracy. Number three, data sources. Data can come from various sources, including paper documents, online forms, spreadsheets, and more. Number four, accuracy and quality. Data entry operators must ensure accuracy and quality when entering data to avoid errors and inconsistencies. Number five, data validation. Data validation checks may be applied to verify the accuracy of the entered data. Number six, data entry software. Specialized software may be used for data entry, including spreadsheet applications, for example, Microsoft Excel, database management system, and custom data entry tools. Number seven, data security. Protecting sensitive data and ensuring compliance with data protection regulations. For example, GDPR is crucial in data entry tasks. Speed and efficiency. Data entry operators often aim to increase their speed and efficiency, either through touch typing skills or the use of data entry software. Data entry jobs. Data entry jobs can be done as in-house position or as remote freelance work. They can be full-time, part-time, or temporary positions. Number 10, data cleaning and maintenance. In addition to data entry, data cleaning and maintenance tasks may involve removing duplicates, updating outdated information, and ensuring data remains accurate over time. Thank you for considering my presentations. data entry for your projects. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.